Hi everybody, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to every one of my subscribers and anybody who watches my channel. While I don't have a Santa hat like a few of the people I follow on YouTube have, I do have a Santa Fe hat. So I wanted to wish everybody again a happy Santa Fe Christmas. So what we're going to do after this bit of humor is I'm going to show you where I am on the probably 95% completed stock feed lot, and I have got it back in place. So we'll get away from the humor and I'll show you that to you. There we are back on the layout, and you'll notice the feed lot is in fact been put back into place, and sometime after Christmas I am going to work on ballasting the tracks, but I wanted to just kind of show you some video pictures of it. And this is gate 1, and then gate 18, as I slowly pan, is down there. So on either end we will have, in this pen here, there are 30 sheep. The figures that I got from Preiser came in a 60 pack, and after 30 I was so tired of gluing down sheep, so I'll save them for one of my farms. Then there are 18 different pens for the cattle, and in each one there's at least 10. So there's about 180 plus. There's a couple of them that I probably put in maybe 11. Had to order some additional ones. Okay, so the Black Angus are in here, and I can't remember what the two-tone ones were. I'm not a cattleman. But I've tried to get them down in there in different positions, and kind of a mixture. And then here's a bunch of calves in there with a mother cow. But and there are some cow flops in there. The Woodland Scenics kits or animal packages come with a few of the cow flops, so I put them down in there. And then there's the hogs at the end. I think there's 24 of them in there. And here's the grain delivery point for feed for the animals. And then on the other end, that other building was the just regular supplies, could be hay or whatever. And I've used a little bit of those SoFlora. They're what do you call those? Buffalo grass is what they are. They're here, there, and there's a little bit of some of the Woodland Scenics stuff here and there. But it's essentially done. I may come back a little later and add a little bit more weathering here and there. I tried to make the ramps look pretty nasty, so we'll see. And I gotta search through all my figures to put some workers up on here. But that's where it looks right now. And this is the other supply building here. So, and then I'll continue the scenery on either end. And but I wanted to work on some of this tracking here. It's been a long time since I've done ballast, so I've been watching some of the people on YouTube and to refresh my memory. So, but anyway, we'll see you probably after New Year's again, unless I get real motivated. But the other thing is, I had one of my granddaughters is cleaning my Western Helix, so I'll be able to at least run trains up from staging on the western helix, and today hopefully we'll get the eastern helix cleaned up so I can run trains completely around the layout. But anyway, thank you everybody, and we'll see you again. Bye.